VoodooDE.
Breaking news, guys. Finally, the cat is out of the bag. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. So here it is. This is no fake, this is no AI or something like that. This is Steam Frame, officially announced on the Steam store. Finally. And some things are what we already knew and some are not. So here it is, how it looks. Yeah, we have the controllers, which we can also play 2D games with. We have the cameras here. So we have controllers, can use the Steam library, and the crazy thing is we can use it with PC and without PC. That's absolutely crazy. Yeah, that means we can stream it to the PC, and then also I think, but the most demanding games will have a problem, right? I don't think you can play the flight simulator just stand alone. That's crazy. So not all games will work, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he plays Alex, of course. Balance. The thing is, this head strap is not is like only rubber band or something like that. Yeah, it's not a hard material. I'm not sure if that really works, but we will see. And this is cool. We have a 6 GHz wireless adapter included for VR connection. Yeah, and that means we hopefully have a really good streaming experience and looks better than, for example, Quest or so. We have we have dynamic foveated rendering with eye tracking, as it seems. So perhaps with this we can save a lot of performance in some games. Yeah, would play without delay. And here the thing is, we have custom-made pancake lenses, and the resolution, guys, is only 2160 by 2160. This is nothing special. This is just a normal resolution, like similar to Quest 3, and we only have LC display. Yeah, so all the people that wanted a very high resolution with OLED will be likely disappointed or so. I don't know. Up to 144 Hertz. Sound is integrated. And here, the thing is, we only have monochrome cameras for tracking. So we don't need the base stations anymore, but there is only black and white cameras. That means no mixed reality. Yeah, no mixed reality. If you like mixed reality, you cannot do it with it. And then we have infrared lights for dark rooms, which is pretty good. We can play it here. We have magnetic analog sticks. Normal controls look cool. Yeah, so we have different options to use. We have to get used to that because normally we have 2 buttons on each side, and now we have this cross here and then 4 buttons on the other side. This, I have to get used to that, definitely. But then we can use it for non-VR titles, as they say here. Yeah, that's also interesting on a big floating screen, likely. With and without PC, as I said, right? We have a Snapdragon inside, 60 GB RAM. Could be interesting. Yeah. Runs SteamOS. Crazy. Developer kit. And now the thing is, guys, unfortunately this headset is not released yet. We don't know any price, and we also don't know when it will be available to buy. It's just only a developer kit, and that means it will take several months or even longer so that we as a consumer can buy it. I think you can be a developer or sign up for a developer account. Then you have to sign an NDA and so on, and then perhaps you can do that. You can use it for developing, yeah, but it's not for consumers right now. Unfortunately, guys, I already was about to order it, and then I saw, oh no, it's only a dev kit. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, and then we can enjoy like everything. Stream from PC, laptop, Steam Deck, Steam Machine, whatever. Yeah, we have there's also the new Steam Machine. This one here. Yeah, Sorry, everything here is in German. I just translated this page here. And as you can see here, we have an IPD adjustment, an expansion port, the cameras, volume, aux button, power button, magnetic phase gasket, an SD card slot, very interesting, IPD lock, proximity sensor, eye tracking cameras, adjustable strap. I don't like this strap, to be honest. I prefer this hard strap with hard material. And we have a USB-C here. Speakers and IR illuminators. Here's the technical specifications. We have a 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, ARM64. We have 60 GB RAM. Storage is 256 or 1 TB and expandable with micro SD. Lithium-ion battery, 21.6 watt-hours, USB port charging and data transfer on the back. That's cool, data transfer. Yeah. The weight of the modular head mount is 245 grams. Then here we have the LC display to 160 by 160 per eye, which is definitely not much. Yeah, it's like Quest, some like Quest. And then we have up to experimental 144 Hertz. Pancake lenses. Yeah. Out there is the field of view, 110 degrees. Yeah. Up to 110 degrees. 60 to 70 millimeter IPD, which is not a big range. Normally we have like 58 or 56 to 72 or so. Inner width of the lenses, 140 millimeters. Location tracking with internal cameras, so no steam tracking, lighthouse tracking anymore. Then we have monochrome cameras, yeah, for just tracking, yeah. Monochromous pass-through. Unfortunately, no mixed reality. And then we have eye tracking for dynamic four-weighted rendering. Then the infrared LEDs. Expansion port, whatever that is. Interface with dual high-speed cameras. Wi-Fi 7, also great. So simultaneous use of Wi-Fi 5 and 6. Including the wireless adapter is included. This is the most interesting thing, in my opinion, the wireless adapter. Integrated two-way speakers, dual microphone array, Bluetooth 5.3. And then the weight is 450 grams, including the head mount. Operating SteamOS 3. And here are the controllers. Interesting. We have 2 buttons on each trigger. 6 degrees of freedom, of course. Interesting. Haptic motors, capacitive sensors. Yeah, Wi-Fi. And that's it. That's it, guys. So this is interesting. There are already some reviews out. I think some people already tried that for a short session or so, but that's not full reviews. And this will also take a while because I think the people that are devs, they have to sign an NDA. They cannot just show it, and also we cannot buy it. So yeah. So guys, please check out the description. I will put everything that I forgot in the description because it's very new. There are all the news popping up right now, but this is a breaking news video, so please check out the description. As soon as I know more, I will put it there. So guys, subscribe so that you will, I will definitely buy it and then do a full honest review about this as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE